Hello parents and welcome to our phonics session. Now this week we've learnt 3 new sounds on top of the ones that we've already learned. So I'm going to go through the sounds with you. Remember, we're not doing the letter name. We don't want to know what letter these are. We want to know what sound they make because we use the sounds to help us to read. If we use the letters, then it won't help us to read. So I'm going to say the sound and then you say it, okay? O, E, K, S, I, D, B, N, G, A, A, M, Now, in our previous video, we showed you how you could write all those sounds that I just said onto a small piece of paper, cut them so that you can practice blending, because that's what we're working on now, is blending. Now, blending is when you learn how to say each sound individually and you push them together to get the word. And this is how children learn to read. So we're going to practice blending 2 words, okay? So the first one is this. This is a picture of, oh, this is not a picture. This is an actual pencil pot. So I'm going to attempt to sound out pot. So you say pot. What's the first sound you hear in pot? So pot. Oh. And what's the last sound? Pot. Is a t sound. So then what I do is I try and read it. So I'll go pot. And if I'm still not sure, I just need to say a little bit faster. Pot. And then say a little bit faster. Pot. Pot. That says pot. Okay, we're going to try it again with a different word. Now I want you to look at this object. This is builder's hat. Hat. Oh. So if we are to do hat, we need to think about again the first sound we hear in hat. Hat. What's the first sound? Hat. It's a sound. At. At. The second sound is a at. And the third sound is a t sound. And then we practice reading it. At, hat. So now we've managed to read the word hat. Now I want you to practice saying words for your children to try and put together to read. You could also just give them a word. For example, you could just do this for them. You might say, okay, I'm going to put these sounds together and you read it for me. So have a go at reading this word yourself. Let's try that together now. Tap. So the more you do that, then your children will learn how to pick up reading. So I look forward to seeing all your wonderful work.